Make a spicy beef filling perfect for these cute mini tacos. In this video, I will make some taco shells as well as some awesome stuffed shells. Let's start with the beef filling. Heat some oil and add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely minced garlic. Saute this and add 1 cup of finely chopped mushrooms. Add 2 pounds of ground beef. If you like, you could add chicken as well. For spices, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of fresh cracked peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. And for flavorings, I'm really going to be using this chipotle in adobo sauce to spice up the filling. This is a 13-ounce can and I will be using some of it. Put this through a food processor and add in 4 tablespoons of the chipotle in adobo sauce. Mix this in really well with the beef and add a 1/4 cup of beef stock or water. Cover and allow this to cook and stir in between, breaking any lumps. Cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons each of diced red and green peppers. Taste for salt and add salt as required. Add 1/2 cup of chopped coriander and keep this aside. Now for the tacos. I'm going to start with flour tortillas. Using a round cutter, cut out circle shapes. Turn a cupcake pan upside down and lightly spray it with oil. Insert the rounds of tortillas in between the cupcake cavities. I'm also going to make some corn tortillas. Grease a baking tray, lay the tortillas flat, add some grated cheese, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of the beef filling. I'm going to add some chopped jalapeno peppers, coriander, and some more cheese. Place both the trays in a preheated 350-degree oven, and once the cheese melts on the corn tortillas, just fold them over and return them to the oven for another 5 minutes. I've removed the tortilla shells. They're nice and crisp, but I have noticed that some of them have puffed a little bit too much, and this is going to be difficult to stuff. So to remedy this, I'm going to add a cannoli tube in between, and I'm going to return these to the oven. And the results? Perfect. If you make a few batches, you can store them in an airtight container and you can stuff them just before serving your guests. Enjoy.